Have you ever wondered how people are making money on YouTube, even with small channels? The truth is, you don't need millions of subscribers to start earning. You just need the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you the best ways beginners can make money on YouTube. Let's get started. The first and most popular way is the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements, such as reaching the required watch time or shorts views and following YouTube's policies. Once you're accepted, ads can appear on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the advertising revenue. But here's something many beginners don't know. Ad revenue shouldn't be your only goal. The second way to earn money is affiliate marketing. This means you recommend a product or service and place your affiliate link in the video description. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create your own product, and even small channels can earn money this way if they build trust with their audience. The third method is sponsorships. Many people think only big creators get sponsored, but that's not true. Small businesses often look for smaller creators with loyal audiences. If your viewers trust you, brands may pay you to mention or review their products. The fourth way is selling your own digital products. You can create an ebook, an online course, templates, presets, or guides. Once you make the product, you can sell it again and again without creating it from scratch every time. This can become a reliable source of income over time. The fifth method is offering services. If you're good at video editing, graphic design, programming, writing, or social media management, your YouTube channel can act as your portfolio. People who enjoy your content may contact you for paid work. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. Most new creators focus only on making money. Instead, focus on solving problems, teaching something useful, or entertaining your audience. When people find value in your videos, subscribers, views, and income naturally grow over time. Another important tip is consistency. You don't need to upload every day. Even 1 or 2 high-quality videos every week can make a big difference. Focus on creating better content instead of simply uploading more videos. Also, pay attention to your thumbnails and titles. Your video can't get views if nobody clicks on it. Create clear, eye-catching thumbnails and titles that spark curiosity without using misleading clickbait. Finally, be patient. Many successful YouTubers spent months or even years creating videos before they saw significant results. Every video teaches you something new. Keep improving, learn from your analytics, and don't quit too early. To summarize, beginners can earn money on YouTube through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling digital products, and offering services. Build trust, stay consistent, and focus on helping your audience. Your first dollar on YouTube may take time, but if you keep learning and improving, it can become much more than just a hobby. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's starting their YouTube journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.